Muay Thai is known worldwide as the art of 8 limbs, celebrated for its brutal beauty and unmatched effectiveness. To the outsider, fighters look like warriors, hardened bodies, powerful kicks, and a respect-driven culture that fascinates millions. But behind the stadium lights and highlight reels is a darker reality, one that strips away comfort, money, and even health. Being a Muay Thai fighter isn't about glamour. It's about survival. Toughness isn't optional, it's demanded. And for many, the dream of glory is nothing more than a mirage. The culture of pain. Unlike most sports, Muay Thai doesn't allow weakness. From childhood, fighters in Thailand are pushed into bone-on-bone wars where shin meets shin, elbow crashes into skull, and knees dig into ribs. Pain isn't just expected, it's normalized. Fighters learn early that injury is part of training. If you can't endure it, you don't belong. This culture builds resilience, but it also leaves bodies broken long before their prime. Toughness isn't celebrated, it's demanded, and without it, survival in the sport is impossible. The grind of endless training. Training in Muay Thai is relentless. Fighters wake before sunrise, running for miles before the world even stirs. Then come hours of pad work, sparring, clinching, and conditioning. Afternoon sessions are just as brutal, leaving no room for rest. Day after day, year after year, this grind wears down the body and mind. Unlike other combat sports, there's rarely an off-season. Muay Thai fighters live inside their gyms, their lives consumed by the art. For many, the gym becomes both home and prison. The brutality of bone. What makes Muay Thai unique is also what makes it punishing. Shin-to-shin clashes, elbow cuts, and knee strikes create damage that accumulates over time. Unlike padded gloves or protected strikes in other martial arts, Muay Thai relies on raw impact. Fighters often suffer cuts that require stitches mid-fight, broken bones that are taped up just to continue, and concussions that are brushed aside as part of the job. This isn't a game of points, it's a game of attrition, where the human body is slowly ground down with every fight. The harsh reality of weight cuts. Before the brutality inside the ring comes the torment of weight cuts. Fighters dehydrate themselves, starve, and sweat out every ounce just to make a number on the scale. For many, the cut is more dangerous than the fight itself. Headaches, weakness, and fainting are common. Yet, they push through because the fight, and the paycheck, depends on it. In Muay Thai, there is no mercy. Weight classes are strict, and failure to make weight means lost opportunities. The suffering starts long before the first bell rings. The tiny paychecks. One of the biggest misconceptions about Muay Thai is that fighters are well compensated for their sacrifices. The truth? Even in Thailand, where the sport is revered, fighters earn shockingly little. A stadium fight might pay as little as $100 to $150. Outside of a few superstars, Muay Thai fighters live in poverty, fighting multiple times a month just to survive. When you consider the permanent damage, the training demands, and the danger of every bout, the paycheck is an insult to the price fighters truly pay. The permanent scars. Every strike in Muay Thai leaves its mark. Fighters accumulate scars, broken noses, and battered shins that never fully heal. Long-term damage, chronic pain, arthritis, and brain trauma, is a reality for nearly all veterans of the sport. Retirement doesn't mean recovery, it often means living the rest of your life in pain. Muay Thai doesn't just take your youth. It takes your body, piece by piece, until there's nothing left but scars and memories. The dream of glory that rarely comes. For every fighter who dreams of fame and respect, only a handful achieve it. Most Muay Thai fighters will never see the bright lights of major promotions or international recognition. Instead, they fight in small stadiums, in front of small crowds, chasing glory that may never arrive. The harsh reality is that respect in Muay Thai comes cheap to the audience but costs everything to the fighter. It's a cycle of sacrifice for a dream that slips further away with every fight. No fame. Unlike boxing or MMA, Muay Thai doesn't make millionaires. Even world champions live modestly, often returning to poverty once their careers end. The sport gives little back compared to what it takes. Fighters bleed, suffer, and break themselves for a craft that rewards them with respect, not wealth. For many, Muay Thai is not a path to success but a cycle of sacrifice. What looks like combat to the crowd is, in truth, a lifetime of giving everything and receiving almost nothing. Conclusion. Muay Thai is more than fighting, it's survival through sacrifice. The bone-on-bone wars, the brutal training, the starvation of weight cuts, the tiny paychecks, and the permanent damage all paint a picture far darker than most fans ever see. This isn't combat. It's sacrifice with 8 limbs. For those who choose this path, toughness isn't just part of the job, it's the only way to live. And that's why, despite its beauty, being a Muay Thai fighter often sucks. Because in the end, the sport doesn't just demand your sweat and blood, it demands your soul.